little paint correction. Just getting most of the scratches out. Didn't get it 100%, but just on this one panel. Still have to do a maintenance detail on the rest of the car, but he had a scratch right about there. Got that out. Let's see. There you go. So yeah, got that out. That looking pretty darn good. It's not perfect, but I'd say we did pretty good.